The Naviate command set pipe slope can change the elevation, slope and drop for pipe spans. The pipe can be selected in plan, profile or by selecting the pipe span label. Raise start elevation moves the entire pipe span but retains the slopes and drops. By clicking apply, the changes can be viewed and the user is able to pan and zoom around the drawing whilst the dialog box remains open. Set pipe slope alters the absolute slope value in %. The drop can be set in 3 different ways and can be calculated from the crown, the centre or the invert of the pipe. When apply is clicked, the changes are applied to the span and the dialog box remains open, so further changes can easily be carried out. By clicking the Select Parts button at the top of the dialog box, it's possible to quickly select a new pipe span for further editing. Once all changes have been made, the Close button can be used to close the dialog box.